So this is a small project I have done. It is something which can be used by smart cities, and what happens is when there's a vehicle which should not be allowed in residential area, the road should block it. Or maybe here I am doing is like glowing red lights, and if there is a safe vehicle like this or maybe like this, it should allow this car to enter this residential area. And instead of this truck, we can even have a unsafe vehicle like maybe a tank, which I don't have here to demonstrate. So we'll fire up the system and see how it works. So using a VNC server, I am starting the service on my Raspberry Pi. Okay, so it has started. I am running the object detection here. So what happens is when there is a truck here, so the red light should glow, and when there is a so it just started. It is there. You can see, I think it is very far. Okay, so when there's a truck, there's a red bounding box here, and then that red bounding box is basically, it means is there's a car cannot enter this locality. Okay, sorry, this vehicle, that is this truck, cannot enter this locality. And if there is a car, you guessed it, it should turn green. 1 2 3, yeah, it takes some time. Okay, so basically what happens is when there is a vehicle, the data is fed inside the webcam, and then this webcam is using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and LoRaWAN. So using LoRaWAN and Bluetooth, it is communicating to this node. This node can be an ad hoc node which does not require a lot of power, and it can even be connected to road blockers or whatever, and which will be decided using these types of data fed. And then this Raspberry Pi basically connects to the server, and then the server has GPU running, and it has right now object detection algorithm MobileNet v2. I'm using the pre-trained models, that is the I think it is Coco model, and it is trained for 80 classes, and it can easily detect between truck and a car. So what happens is this truck data is when it is a truck, and then the server, so the server will let the Raspberry Pi know that it is connected, it is right now seeing a truck which is not a safe vehicle. So this Raspberry Pi will send this message to the Arduino, and this Arduino will showcase it using this red light right now. And if it is a safe car like this, so it will think of it as a safe car, and then it will allow it to see this green lights. Alright, so that's it. I'll show you the network architecture at the end of the video. So bye. So this is the network architecture. So this is the server, and this is the Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi is connected to the server using the Wi-Fi, that is the backbone of our network. And then when a webcam or our IP camera here sees something, it sends that data to the server, and then the server decides whether this car or vehicle or this truck should be allowed to enter the locality. So how it does it, the IP packets are sent here on the server, and then the server sends it back to the Raspberry Pi, and then the Raspberry Pi using LoRa or Bluetooth can to send it to the respective nodes, which are ad hoc nodes, and they are controlled using Arduino. And the Arduino decides whether the light should be red or it should be green. Like in this case, the cars are safe to enter and these vehicles are not safe to enter. So this is done using Arduino, and Arduino can communicate using one of the module like LoRaWAN or Bluetooth. So that's it.